Hey, it'd probably be a good time to do a riding in the rain in the dark video. Wear gear with reflective stripes on it. Even my backpack it lights up like crazy when the light hits it. So it goes $35 from Amazon. High vis backpack. It ain't gotta be high vis, but it's got two big, probably 2-inch wide reflective stripes on it, and it lights up kind of like the corners of the door on that big rig up top. The light hits it. Of course, wear rain gear. I got on an adventure jacket, adventure pants. I have on over my adventure pants, since they're not waterproof, I got Coleman rain pants over. Let's see what else. Oh, and I have Nelson Rig boot cover, so if you're not wet and miserable, you can relax more too, and you can keep your mind, on what you're doing. If I think anything else, I'll do a video this evening on a ride home from work. Lucky so far going home today. Sun's out. Only got normally 45 miles to get back home, and it's not raining on me yet, so we'll see by the time I get home. I do gotta go a little out of the way to bike shop to get some gloves. These things here are just cheapos, and they've had it. So it's time to get some gloves that actually will protect my hands if I go down on pavement. But I want to hit a couple more things that I forgot about this morning on the ride to work. About riding in the rain. One I didn't think to tell you was you're going down the road and your visor gets water all over it. To clear your visor, you just turn your head. You know, as long as you're moving at a decent speed. Going right now, I'm only doing 45. So as long as you're going a decent speed, it'll clear off your visor enough where you can see. Another thing I forgot to mention was staying off the painted lines if you can. Yellow, white lines at a stop sign or red light. Sometimes they got that wide reflective white line. They're really slick when it's wet, so if you do have to hit that, go across it, you don't really want to hit them, especially turning or hard on the brake. Any metal in the road, say a manhole cover, going into the tunnel up here, the Bayway Tunnel, I think they call it the Wallace Tunnel, they got metal grates, and some bridges have them too, that's in between the patches of concrete, pieces of concrete. You don't want to turn on those when they're wet if you can help it. If you do, just be real easy. Of course, when it's raining, you're easier on the throttle and easier on the brakes because you have less traction. I didn't think to mention that, I don't think. What else? You know, I said stay out of the center, but you can see well, I don't know if you can see it, but there's drops of oil here in the center where cars and trucks are leaking oil. So stay to the right or left of center, and it's best if you can kind of follow the tracks where cars have been going, because it'll be a little drier. Let's see what else I'm forgetting. Oh, and don't be scared to ride in the rain, but don't be overconfident either. Just got to be smooth on the brakes, smooth on the throttle. Don't get too cocky, but don't be scared, because then you're going to ride tight, and it's just not the way to ride in the rain. You need to ride loose and relax. Like I said, I don't know how to tell you to relax other than just do it till you get comfortable or more comfortable doing it. Here lately I've been mentioning a couple channels that you should check out. I mentioned this one last video before last, and somehow with my great editing skills I cut it out. But anyhow, check out the Blue Bike and Dole channel. He just got he had a blue Harley. I don't know the different Harley models, but he just got another new blue Harley, or a new Harley, and it's blue also. How about that? He's got some good videos. He travels around. He's big into The Walking Dead, and he lives in Georgia, I believe, so he's close to where they filmed some of that. I don't know, I've never watched Walking Dead, but I don't really watch TV. But and also I'll probably get the name of this channel wrong. A guy I ride with every now and again just started a channel, and I'll put the name of the channel up here. It's something like Northwest Florida ADV, maybe something like that, or NWF ADV maybe. But anyhow, I'll put the actual name of his channel in up on the screen. He's only got, I think he's got 4 videos now. He's a real good motorcycle tech, good rider. Well, I got me some new gloves. I don't know what to get. I wanted something like a Supermoto style with a little palm slider, thick leather in the palm. Picked up some Alpine Stars. I don't know what model they are, but they got knuckle protection and a thick palm. So hopefully they'll last a while.